Hi, welcome to my digital lesson. Today I'm going to talk about perimeter. And as you can see here, perimeter is the distance round a figure. I'm going to talk about the perimeter of a rectangle and a square. We're going to start with the perimeter of a rectangle. This is the rectangle, and we have said that perimeter is the distance round a figure. Perimeter is the distance round a figure. So let us put the dimensions of our rectangle. Our length is 8 centimeters and our width is 6 centimeters. And then, as you know, a rectangle has two sides which are equal: 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Two opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Then we have said that perimeter is 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4. That one is going to give us the perimeter of that figure. Now we are going to use perimeter, the formula to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter is 2 into length plus width. 2 into, our length is 8 centimeters. Our width is 6 centimeters. 2 times 8 plus 6 is 14 centimeters. 2 times 14 is 28 centimeters. This is our perimeter of this figure. We move to the perimeter of a square. We say that perimeter is the distance around a figure, and the dimension here is 4 centimeters. We know that a square has 4 equal sides, meaning if this side is 4 centimeters, this one is 4 centimeters, this one is 4 centimeters, and this one is 4 centimeters. So the perimeter is going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. But now we are going to use the formula, which is perimeter is 2 into side plus side. We use side because here we don't have length or width because the sides are equal. This is going to be 2 into 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. 2 times 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeters. And this is going to give us 2 times 8, which is 16 centimeters. Another way you can find the perimeter of a square is side times 4 centimeters, which is 4 times 4 sides times 4 centimeters, which is 16 centimeters. So this is how you can find the perimeter of a rectangle and the perimeter of a square. Now we're going to move to a point where we have been given the perimeter but we don't have one side. For example, we have the perimeter, we have the length, but we don't have the width. What you do, just write the formula. Then you insert what you have been given. We have perimeter at 2 centimeters. We have the length. We are looking for W, which is our width. We ignore the units first. We go with 32 is 2. We open the brackets. 2 times 12, which is 24, plus 2 times W, 2W. Now, from here we are going to put the like terms together. We're going to bring 24 to the other side. And 24 here is a positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it's going to become minus. So we are going to have 32 minus 24 is 2w. 32 minus 24 is 8, which is 2w. To find w, we divide both sides by 2. This one is going to cancel with that one. W is going to be 2 is going to cancel 1 and go to 8 4 times. So our width is 4 centimeters. Now we continue with a square. We have a figure like this one. Then we have the perimeter, which is 28 centimeters. Then we have been told to find the sides. Just write the formula. Perimeter is 2 into side plus side. We have the perimeter 2, but we don't have the sides. Now we ignore the units. 28 is going to give us s plus s is 2s. 28 is going to be 2 times 2 is 4s. To get s, we are going to divide both sides by 4. Cancel 1, cancel 1. 4 is going to cancel 1 and go to 28 7 times. Meaning 28 divided by 4 is 7. So our side is 7 centimeters. Another way to find the perimeter of the side of a square, you can simply take 28 and then you divide by 4, which is going to give you 7 centimeters. Now, I have a question here and I want us to do it together. Let me write the question. Now, that is the question, and I want us to do it together. We have been told to find the perimeter of this door, and as we know, a door is always in the shape of a rectangle, and this is our length, and this is our width. But now, our length has 2 units, meters and centimeters. Meters and centimeters. So this is our door. Our length is the long one. Now from our figure, our length has 2 units. Now, and we have been told to give the answer in meters. So we are going to change the centimeters into meters. 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter. What about 25 centimeters? We are going to cross multiply here. 25 centimeters times 1 meter divided by 100 centimeters. We cancel the centimeters. Then we now cancel. You cancel 1 0, you move a decimal point. You cancel another 0, you move the decimal point. Now 25 divided by 100 is going to give us 0.25. So 2 zeros represents 2 decimal points, 1, 2. Now our answer is going to be 0.25 meters, meaning 25 centimeters is the same as 0.25 meters. Now we add 3 meters plus 25, which has given us 0.25, 3 meters plus 0.25 meters, 0.00 meters. Now we add the 2. 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3. So our length is 3.25 meters and our width is 2 meters. Now we use our formula. P is 2 into L plus W. 2 into our length is 3.25 meters plus 2 meters. 2 times 3.25 plus 2. You come aside here and you add 3.25 plus 2, which is going to be 5, 2.5. So 5.25 meters. Our answer is going to be 2 times 5.25. When you're doing multiplication with decimal points, you ignore the decimal points first. Then you come aside here and multiply 525 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, 0 carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Then we have 2 decimal points. 1, 2. 1, 2. Put your decimal point here. So our perimeter is going to be 10.50 meters. Our answer should be meters. Now, up to that point, that is how you can handle a question having 2 different units in the same question. So with this, I want to remind you that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, because the next time you can find a question dealing with kilometers and meters. And up to that point, that is the end of my lesson. And I thank you for your time until we meet the next time. But I have some questions for you here, which you are going to practice on your own. So you copy them and then you practice. We meet next time. Goodbye.